Revo Uninstaller. What's Revo Uninstaller Pro? Revo Uninstaller Pro is a powerful software utility designed to help users remove unwanted programs, applications, and leftovers from their computers. Here are some key features and details about Revo Uninstaller Pro. Key features: 1. Advanced Uninstallation, provides a more thorough removal of programs compared to the standard Windows uninstaller. Uses advanced scanning algorithms to detect and remove leftover files, folders, and registry entries after the standard uninstall process. 2. Forced Uninstall, helps remove stubborn or partially uninstalled programs that cannot be removed by conventional methods. 3. Quick/multiple uninstall, allows users to uninstall multiple programs quickly and easily in a single operation. 4. Real-time installation monitor, tracks changes made to the system during software installation in real time, ensuring complete removal during uninstallation. 5. Logs database, provides access to a database of logs created by the Revo community, offering predefined uninstall logs for various applications to simplify the uninstallation process. 6. Hunter mode, way to uninstall or manage programs by dragging a target icon over the program's window or icon. 7. Junk files cleaner, includes tools to clean up temporary files, duplicate files, and other junk files to free up disk space and improve system performance. 8. Browser cleaner, cleans browser history, cache, cookies, and other temporary internet files from various web browsers. 9. Windows tools, provides easy access to useful Windows tools and settings, such as System Restore, Security Center, and more. 10. Automatic updates, ensures the software stays up to date with the latest features and improvements. User benefits: efficiency, saves time by removing software more completely and quickly than standard methods. Improved performance, by cleaning up leftover files and unnecessary data, it helps improve overall system performance. Ease of use, the user-friendly interface and advanced features make it accessible for both novice and advanced users. Versatility, suitable for various types of programs and applications, making it a versatile tool for maintaining a clean and efficient system. Revo Uninstaller Pro is particularly useful for users who frequently install and uninstall software, those looking to optimize their system performance, or anyone facing difficulties with removing certain programs.